William's first Christmas.
William's first Christmas.
Open it up, buddy.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Here, help him out, Andrew.
Open. Now let him do it. Rip it. There you go. You can rip it. Pull it open. Let him do it, Andrew. There we go. Let him do it. Let him do. Stop it. Stephen, intervene.
Andrew, let him
Rip
do
it open,
it.
honey.
Here, I'm not sure he gets it.
No, he can do it. You can rip it open. Yeah. There you go. Rip it more. Open it. There you go. It's in there. Okay, you can help him, Andrew.
Go ahead, Andrew.
I'm showing him. Oh, show it to him.